Hello guys, welcome back to another video from Timmy the Creator. So this video is going to be like a tip, not much of a tutorial. So there is an update that I've been aware of for a while now. So I think the update should be this update should be available on 2024 and 2025, or probably 2025. That's if you don't see it on 2024. That means 2025 and above, or 2024 and above. So you can see this graphic too. Now when I zoom closer, you find out that this graphic is smooth. It is smooth. So now we have options for this graphic too, which I'll be showing you. So when I select this graphic and go to the graphic option on the object browser, select the graphic sweatshirt, then you see this print type. That is where the update is. You might not see this on your older version of CLO3D. The CLO I'm using right now is 2025. So I'm going to select this drop down, and then you see these extra four options. And when I select crack, you can see this. Then I'm going to click on the drop down. I'm going to select vintage distress. You can see this again. Can you see? And I click on the drop down. I select the golden foil. You can see this too. And the last one is the blend with fabric. And when I zoom closer, you can see that the graphic blends with the fabric, not like the usual graphics that looks flat. You can see the fabric texture on the graphic too. So this is just the update I want to talk about in this video. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. You can also check out my Mockup Design. The link is in the description box for streetwear design, limited streetwear design, 360 animation, working animation, and some of my CLO3D projects file. You can get them on my Fourth Wall account or my Fourth Wall marketplace. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button to get more tutorial from Timmy the Creator.